Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to disable live caption on Google Chrome for your PC. This feature can be useful for some, but if you find it distracting or unnecessary, turning it off is quick and easy. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. First, locate the Google Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Click on it to launch the browser. Step 2. Access the menu. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You will see 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More button. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can adjust various options for your browser. Step 4. Find Accessibility. On the left side of the settings page, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Click on it to open Accessibility settings. This section contains features designed to enhance your browsing experience. Step 5. Disable live caption. In the Accessibility settings, look for the option labeled Live Caption. You will see a toggle switch next to it. Click this switch to turn it off. Once it's disabled, you won't see any more live captions while browsing or watching videos. And that's it. You have successfully turned off live caption in Google Chrome on your PC. Disabling this feature can help create a more streamlined browsing experience without those distracting on-screen texts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your browsing experience without live captions.